what shaped me the most has been being close to the hardware my whole career. Right, so being at Kennedy Space Center and being able to walk around and crawl through orbiters and understand the stack as you go up and down the boosters and see the processing occurring and walk the launch pad before every launch. Being close to the hardware, understanding the scale and the size of the hardware. It's always been something that I would preach to the younger folks, the co-ops, is stay close to the hardware. Even if you're just, if you're a designer or an analyst or a test engineer, you got to be with your hands dirty, working with the hardware. And that's where you get a real appreciation, where as you grow in your career, you get a more intuitive sense of what's a good design or what's a decent analysis or when something doesn't look quite right. And that comes from years and years of being close to the hardware. So I think we need that in the agency. And so it's really fortunate that a lot of folks like Bobby and Mike Ruskevich, the chief engineer, are pushing for significant increase in the amount of in-house work we're going to do in the agency. That's so important to keep our young folks, all folks at different levels in their career, working with the hardware, designing things.
Yeah, and if I could just follow on to that a little bit, that's something that we don't do uniformly well in the universities, right? In the university setting, we teach undergraduates, for instance, the foundational skills that they need across all the aerospace disciplines. But very few undergraduates get to be a part of a project from across the whole life cycle, from concept all the way to flight. And so for our young engineers coming into NASA to have developmental experiences like Steve is referring to here is very important.